What's your financial goal?
You want more money? Turn what you know into dough. Start hanging out with the people who have it. You create wealth on your own terms. It is not only your rights, but your duty to build wealth.
You are fiscally fabulous.
It's time to enjoy your legacy.
You're listening to Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire, a podcast that aims to provide you with the tools, guidance, and encouragement you need to build your wealth, enjoy your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Dr. Martin is an accomplished attorney, speaker, business consultant, and real estate strategist, an all-around self-made success who provides highly sought-after expert consulting in the creation, growth, and maintenance of generational wealth.
Hello, Fabulous. This is Dr. Teresa Martin of Generational Wealth Zone, and welcome to Fiscally Fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Release the Inner Entrepreneur in You series. Today, I want to talk to you about managing like an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, you want to delegate tasks effectively. As the owner, it's not necessary or advisable for you to do everything. You can and you should delegate difficult tasks to other people. This will allow you to do more things like focus on planning for your business's growth. But delegation is a two-edged sword. If done correctly, it can do your business a world of good. If done wrong, it can be the downfall of your business. Make sure that you delegate tasks to the right people. Also make sure that tasks are properly sorted among your employees and that everyone knows their boundaries. This will avoid confusion within your organization and save you headaches in the future. You must also learn how to micromanage your team. Although you're delegating tasks, your input is still necessary. Don't let your managers or employees do all the work, as your presence is still important. This way, you will always know what's going on inside your business. You'll be able to see when a problem or potential problem presents itself. And although you don't want to doubt your employees, micromanagement will prevent the possibility of human error, dishonesty, and more importantly, internal fraud. You also want to motivate your team to perform. Your employees are human. They are not perfect. Even the best people will feel unmotivated at some point. This is especially true with repetitive work. To keep your team working at their best, it's important that you add some motivation. Incentives are great motivators. So think of ways on how to motivate your team to perform at their highest level. Keep them interested in their work. Keeping good records can never be stressed enough. What are the things that you need to keep record of? As a basic requirement, all businesses should furnish financial statements. You should also keep a record of your supplies, your merchandise, assets, purchase activities, and sales activities. You should also include hours worked by your employees and other team members. This data will be useful to you when performing an analysis in the future. You should always analyze your reports and your data regularly. Again, reports include financial statements, inventory counts, employee performance, customer feedback, etc. Basically, reports involves any data or report that has to do with your business. You'll need to read through these reports and analyze them. Use these data points as references for your decision-making process. When ordering your next batch of merchandise, for example, you can refer to your sales data to see which items to order less and which items to order more. These reports exist for a reason, so use them. And lastly, you will need to establish a thorough auditing routine. This is especially important if you're dealing with a lot of merchandise. Auditing is basic to all businesses. Auditing includes cross-checking receipts with sales records, conducting inventory counts, doing quality checks on both equipment and operations, and so on. You need to do quality checks regularly to see if anything needs replacement or maintenance. Additionally, you need to do internal audits to detect errors and prevent internal fraud. Management of your business cannot be overlooked. If you want to be successful in business, focus on your management. That's our time for today. Join me on the next episode where we will discuss how to advertise like an entrepreneur. Post your thoughts on today's episode and your top takeaways in the comments. I always love to hear from you. Until next time, remember, you are fiscally fabulous and you are worth it.
This has been Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire. If you would like to learn more on how you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy, go to www.enjoyyourlegacy.com and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening. Until next time.